guys, I hope you're well. This is your girl, Guest Daughter. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, many thanks. I hope this video will be so audible. So guys, niko in the Signature Mall. Well guys, this is the most beautiful mall I've ever been into. So angalieni nyuma yangu guys. Watani niwashow hiyo fall iko nyuma yangu. It's so beautiful guys. I'm with my mother. It's Easter. It's Easter guys. So watani tuwashow kidogo and then yeah, tulikuwa shughuli zetu but we've seen this beautiful fall in the mall. So I have to show you guys. Sawa mbio mbio. So guys, ndio tunatoka the Signature Mall with my mom. Natoka hivi ado sema hello. Hi. Wanapenda kuchoma sana. So tulikuwa tumena place goat eating. Yes, we've been invited by 101 properties, yes, for goat eating. Hatujui venue sana, so tumengojewa na gari pale chini. So yes, so we will show you when you get there. Goat eating lazima, sawa? So this is how the Signature Mall looks like. So yeah, bye guys.